Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp not showing contacts name on Android or Samsung phone. First, let me go into WhatsApp and show you. As you can see right there, it's only showing their number. It isn't showing their name like it would normally do. Now to fix this, it's actually quite easy. First, you need to go into your settings. From in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps right here. After you have selected apps, you want to tap on the search bar in the search icon in the top right hand corner, or you can scroll down until you see WhatsApp. After you have found WhatsApp, you want to open it. And from there, you're going to tap on permissions. Then you're going to select contacts. And as you can see there, WhatsApp was denied access to my contacts. You want to simply tap on allow. After you have done that, you will simply close out of settings. And I would normally recommend that you restart your phone. And after you have restarted your phone, once you go back into WhatsApp, sometimes it will automatically change back, but you have to give it a minute. Normally, you have to restart your phone, reboot your phone for it to actually work. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix WhatsApp not showing contacts names on Android or Samsung devices.